In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page size B4 in Excel. If you're preparing a worksheet for printing and need it to fit the B4 paper standard, this walkthrough will make it quick and simple. B4 is part of the ISO paper series and measures 250 by 353 millimeters, which sits between A4 and A3. Switching your worksheet to B4 helps maintain consistent scaling and layout when you're sharing or printing documents that follow international sizes. First, open your workbook and head to the ribbon at the top of Excel. Look for the Page Layout tab. This is where all the print-related formatting lives, including margins, orientation, scaling, and, most importantly for us, paper size. If your window is small and you don't see the tab right away, expand the Excel window or look for a Layout tab. Different versions may label it slightly differently, but it serves the same purpose. Once you're on the Page Layout tab, find the Size button within the Page Setup group. Clicking Size opens a drop-down list of available paper options supported by your system. You'll see common sizes like letter, A4, and A3, along with others depending on your region and printer drivers. This list controls how Excel lays out your sheet for printing, including where page breaks appear and how much content fits on each page. From that size list, select B4. As soon as you choose it, Excel updates the worksheet's print area to match B4 dimensions. You might notice page break lines shift on the grid, and the way columns and rows flow across pages may change. That's expected. The sheet is now optimizing for the B4 page size. Orientation and margins won't change automatically. Choosing B4 only sets the paper size. If you already designed your sheet for a different size, you may see more or fewer pages based on the new dimensions. A few helpful notes as you work. The paper size setting applies to the active worksheet, not the entire workbook. So repeat the same change on any other sheets you plan to print on B4. If you don't see B4 in the list, it can be due to regional defaults or printer driver limitations. Installing a printer that supports B4 often reveals the option. Finally, remember that scaling and margins can further refine the print fit, but those are separate choices from the paper size. And that's it. Open the Page Layout tab, click Size, and choose B4. With these quick adjustments, your Excel sheet is ready to print cleanly on B4 paper.